Good morning, my dear student. Today I will take your MPS subject. Okay, the motivation part. Okay, today I will in this video I will explain meaning of motivation. Okay, importance of motivation. Okay, so first of all, meaning of motivation. Okay, motivation क्या है? Motivation means inspiring. Okay, inspiring people. Okay, inspiring people or employees in the organization to work for the achievement of goal. Okay, organizational goal. Okay, in the organizations, okay, managers motivate their employees, okay, to work for the development and growth of the organizations. Okay, in this way motivation is inspiring, okay, stimulating or inspiring people, okay, to work for the achievement of goal. Okay, it is defined as the psychological process. Okay, it is defined as psychological process. Okay, if you motivate your employees, then he or she will work for the achievement, and he will increase the work, okay, of the organization. That is why motivation is very much important in the organizations. Okay, if the employees is motivated, okay, then he will or and they will engage in the work, okay, and ultimately the organizational goals will be achieved smoothly. Okay, that is why the managers or the top management, okay, have to motivate their uh, employees, subordinates, okay, with the help of inspiring, okay, that he can work in the organization to achieve the goal. Okay, there are some importance. The first one is proper utilization of production factor. Okay, properly, if the manager is very good in motivating, then the land labor capital, okay, the all, okay, it will be properly utilized, okay, and the production also increase. That is why proper utilization of production factor is very much important in the organization. Okay, motivation, with the help of motivation, it stimulates the employees morale, and they work for the uh, they work properly and efficiently. Okay, so in this way it helps in the increasing in production and productivity. Okay, next point is willingness and interest creation. If the manager and the employees is not in a direction to work properly, okay, manager have to motivate their employees and stimulates the employees in the organization. It will help the employees to work with their interests, and it helps in creation of willingness to work in the organizations. Okay, that is why willingness and interest is very much important in the organizations. Okay, next is high productivity. High productivity कैसे होगा? When the employees are fully motivated. Okay, when the that is manager motivates their employees fully motivated, then their performance will be increased. In this way high production results. Okay, that is why it results in high production and productivity increment. Okay, next point is organizational goal. If the machine, equipment, money cannot be effectively used when the employees are not motivated, do not work in an organization to the maximum extent. Okay, if the employees are not motivated, okay, then the organizational goals cannot be achieved. That is why the machines, equipment, money have to be used in a proper manner, and the employees work to achieve their organizational goals. Okay, next is readiness for change. Employees has to train their employees, okay, with the new technologies that is coming in the organizations. Okay, new launch, okay, introduced in the organization, then only the employees will work in a changing environment. Okay, if the manager not motivate the employees, okay, with new technologies, then the employees will hesitate to work, okay, with the new technology. Okay, that is why motivated employees are already made ready to accept the change. Okay, if the employees are motivated, then he will accept the changes. Okay, he will accept the challenge. Next is efficiency in work. Motivated employees perform their duty according to the goals of the organizations. Okay, if the employees are motivated, then he will work in a efficiency manner. Okay, then he will be perform their work in a timely basis. Okay, he will increase the efficiency, and ultimately the goals of the organization will achieve. That is why efficiency in work is very much important. Next is reduce absenteeism. If the motivated employee, if the employee is motivated, then he will not be absent frequently in their job or in their organizations. Okay, in other words, if the employees do not motivate, then he will be careless. Okay, he will be he will take leave from the organizations. Okay, next is employees satisfaction. This is the very much important points in this importance. Okay, employee satisfaction is very much important. Employee satisfaction is an important aspect for the managerial point of view. ठीक है, ये मैनेजर पॉइंट व्यू से भी वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, इफ द एम्प्लॉइज इज नॉट satisfied with their job, then the organization will not achieve their goal. Okay, in short, motivated employees are always satisfied. Okay, if they are motivated, then the employees will work with the help of his satisfaction. Next is fewer disputes and strikes. Disputes and strikes are harmful for organizations. Okay, if any disputes occurs or happen in the organization, then it will be very much harmful for the organizations. Okay, if the employees are not motivated, they will dissatisfied with their job. Okay, which creates to disputes. Okay, problems in the organizations. And the last point is better human relation. सबसे लास्ट पॉइंट वेरी इफेक्टिव. ओके, ह्यूमन रिलेशन इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट ऑल द एम्प्लॉइज. ओके, all employees must be treated as human being by the organizations. Okay, they all have the ability, have the means respect. Okay, discipline, have the respect. Okay, as a human being. Okay, that is why motivation is mainly related to behave the human beings. Okay, if you motivate the employees, okay, as a human being, okay, then he will be in a good relation. Okay, in the company, he will work for a longer period of time in the organizations. Okay, so these are the importance. You just go to the students. Okay, thank you.